The U.S. Marine Corps successfully completed its first open-water amphibious movement at Kushi Crossing. The successful completion of the training mission in Okinawa demonstrates the operational effectiveness of ACV and highlights its importance for future military operations in the Indo-Pacific region. The Russian Ministry of Defense has announced that military units in the Central Military District have received a new batch of Tor M2 surface-to-air missile systems. The Tor M2 is seen as a critical asset for both offensive and defensive operations, offering enhanced protection for ground forces. North Korea has tested an unknown ballistic missile over the Sea of Japan. The launch took place from the interior of North Korea towards the northeast. During this launch, the missile reached maximum altitude of about 100 kilometers and flew about 1,100 kilometers. The operators of the Ukrainian Navy's attack drones hit a Russian Pantsir S-1 anti-aircraft system in the Kherson region. The footage of the attack was posted on social media by the commander of the Ukrainian Navy, where drones struck the cockpit with the anti-aircraft system operators.